Fun and freedom go hand in hand in the all-new Jeep Wrangler. Not only does it incorporate class Jeep brand vehicle design and engineering to bring you all-weather capability and off-road prowess, but a removable top and removable doors give you a true open-air experience. Adventure is amplified inside the Jeep Wrangler, where comfort and convenience thrive. Important controls are close at hand. Storage areas are smartly located, and the latest Uconnect system helps keep you connected, while premium armrests and more help make every trip one to remember. This is only a small slice of the all-new Jeep Wrangler. Stop by today for a test drive.